Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So the recovering process is still going on the EAA BIPLANE. So if you've noticed, I haven't been able to move. These won't come off. They're glued in. So that's why I'm just trying my best to get into the little grooves here and things like that to get the covering on. As you notice, there's a little bit of paint from the old monocoat that's still on here. I found out that acetone does not damage monocoat. So if you want to, you can use acetone. Just make sure you test it out before you use it. Use it on a piece of scrap monocoat and it works just perfectly fine. It'll take off any imperfections in terms of paint residue or anything like that. So the monocoat is coming out nice and clean. If it does get paint on it, you just clean it off with some acetone and it's good. Once the body's done, I don't think I'm gonna have enough monocoat to do the wings, so I'll probably have to end up buying another tube. I am going to put the landing gear back on, change out the tires. They're too balloony. I don't like them. They're made those tires are made for grass strips. My runway is not a grass strip, so I won't need those big tires. I do want to put wheel pants on the plane, and I have a set of wheel pants that I've already picked out. I think it'll look really great with a set of wheel pants. I don't know if to paint it just to leave it all white or should I paint it. I don't know what you guys think of blue as a color, as a striping, or should I just leave it white and make it an entirely white plane? I don't know yet. I don't know if I want a blue top wing and a blue bottom wing. I really don't know. So if you guys have any ideas, shoot me a comment down below and let me know. Something I do know is that this bird's going to have a nice big motor on it. I think either a 700 kV or 600 kV motor. And I think with a 600 kV, I can put a 6-cell, maybe even a 6-cell 3300 size battery. I think that'll work just perfectly fine on this plane with a nice big prop, either a 3-bladed or a single blade prop. I don't know. We'll see. Either 2-bladed normal regular blade prop or a 3-bladed prop. I'm not sure yet, but as you can see, the plane's coming out really, really good. Oh, by the way, you notice I took the canopy on the opposite side. Pull it around here. I'm doing all this with one hand. So this was the hatch cover that I was going to make for the servos. The servos were in the back here. And after looking at them, I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to put the servos there. What I am going to do is put the servos right here. And here's the servo pack, just like that. And if the wing, I'm feeling it here, there's no wing resistance or anything like that, I think it'll be just fine. I can even put it the opposite way and put it from the top side, and I think it'll be just fine also. May even end up doing that instead. So I think it'll be really good to do that, and then have the receiver. So if I flip the body over, I can put it like this. So I can put the servos in like that, and then maybe put the receiver right here in a flat spot. I just have to carve out maybe this area here so the prongs will be able to come out. Zoom in so you can see. So battery will be here, ESC will be able to lay on the wing, on the top of the wing. But I think that'll work a lot better. So, with that said, guys, I think it's looking good. Please do me a favor, leave a thumbs up. And if you're watching this video for the very first time and you want to know more about this aircraft, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can find these plans on Outer Zone. You can go to an Office Depot, Staples, any office supply store, ask them if they do printouts, get them to do a printout for you 200% or to scale. Take a measuring tape so you can scale out the plans and make sure they're proper, and build yourself an airplane. I don't know if you could build this specific plane out of foam board, if balls of wood is hard to get in your neighborhood, but yeah, order some balls of wood and build this bird. Make it electric, be the best plane ever. So with that said, guys, I'll talk to you on the next one. Model Man Frank out. See ya.